Welcome back to Klifs Tech. In today's video, we follow an inventive builder as he constructs a practical garage entirely from reclaimed wooden pallets, documenting every phase from the groundwork to the final structure. The project begins with proper site preparation. The selected area is cleared of debris, then a layer of gravel is spread and leveled to create a stable base that promotes drainage and prevents water buildup. After that, a steel rebar grid is positioned to reinforce the upcoming concrete pour, ensuring the slab will be durable and resistant to cracking. These foundational steps are critical before moving on to framing and wall assembly. Once the slab is ready, the wall layout is marked precisely. Structural timbers are measured and trimmed to match the pallet dimensions that will form the walls. Each piece of timber is treated with a protective coating to guard against moisture, decay, and insect damage. A strip of bitumen is applied along the slab's perimeter to create a moisture barrier between the concrete and the wood. Installing pallets directly onto bare concrete is not recommended. Even when concrete appears dry, it can retain and transfer moisture over time, which may cause wood to deteriorate. The treated timbers act as a buffer, elevating the pallets slightly above the slab. This separation minimizes dampness exposure and significantly extends the life of the wall structure. The walls are then assembled using wooden pallets, an approach that aligns with sustainable building practices. Repurposing pallets is a form of upcycling, transforming discarded materials into functional building components. One of their biggest advantages is that they come pre-assembled, which saves time and reduces labor. Their internal structure provides strong vertical load support, making them suitable for lightweight buildings like sheds and garages. However, pallet selection matters. For exterior use, heat-treated pallets are the safer choice, as they avoid harmful chemical treatments. Pallets marked with chemical stamps should be avoided. While pallets handle downward weight effectively, they offer very little resistance to lateral forces. Without reinforcement, pallet walls can shift, lean, or even fail under wind pressure or uneven loads. To strengthen the structure, additional supports such as vertical posts, corner bracing, and cross members are installed. These reinforcements prevent side-to-side movement and significantly improve overall stability. Proper bracing ensures the walls are not only strong vertically, but also secure against horizontal stress. Because pallets are engineered to bear weight straight down, they perform best when stacked with their support blocks aligned. In warehouse settings, pallets are stacked evenly in straight columns to distribute loads uniformly and maintain stability. Following this principle during construction enhances safety and structural integrity. Horizontal timbers are inserted through the pallets to tie each layer together. These pieces help spread weight evenly while functioning as connectors that lock adjacent pallets into a unified wall system. If you're enjoying the build so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Your support makes projects like this possible. The rafters are carefully measured and cut to precise angles to match the roof slope. Accurate cuts are essential for maintaining a straight roof line and ensuring that weight is transferred evenly down into the supporting walls. Finally, professional stacking guidelines are followed. The load-bearing supports of each pallet must align directly above those below. This alignment guarantees efficient weight transfer and reinforces the overall strength of the garage structure. The roof structure is covered with underlayment in preparation for the final roofing layer. For roof sheathing, oriented strand board, OSB, is selected. OSB is an engineered panel manufactured from compressed wood strands arranged in specific orientations and bonded with durable adhesives under heat and pressure. This process creates panels with an excellent strength-to-weight ratio and impressive dimensional stability, reducing the risk of warping or uneven expansion compared to many solid wood boards. One major advantage of OSB is its affordability. Because it uses smaller wood strands and an efficient manufacturing process, it typically costs less than plywood while delivering comparable structural performance, particularly in shear strength and load capacity. Fiberglass boards are chosen for insulation due to their practical benefits in roofing systems. Made from fine glass fibers formed into dense panels, fiberglass traps air within its structure. These trapped air pockets slow heat transfer, helping keep the interior warmer in colder months and cooler during hot seasons. It is budget-friendly, widely accessible, easy to install between rafters, and non-combustible, adding an extra measure of fire resistance. However, fiberglass must remain dry to perform effectively. If it becomes damp, its insulating ability decreases. For this reason, proper moisture control and well-installed vapor barriers are essential components of the roof assembly. When selecting insulation, climate conditions, local regulations, budget, and moisture management should all be considered. In colder climates, where warm interior air may condense on cooler surfaces inside the walls, a properly installed vapor barrier prevents moisture buildup within the insulation cavity. In the corner designated for a wood-burning stove, heat-resistant panels are mounted on the walls. These protective boards shield the pallet structure and insulation from high temperatures, reducing the risk of fire. This precaution follows standard safety practices whenever fireplaces, stoves, or other heat-producing appliances are installed in wooden buildings. For DIY builders or solo projects, efficiency and smart material use are essential. Pallet construction offers an economical and environmentally conscious solution for lightweight structures like garages, workshops, and small warehouses. It reduces material waste, lowers labor demands, and gives discarded pallets a second life through upcycling. For small-scale builds, this approach is both practical and resource efficient. A retractable up-and-over garage door is selected for the entrance due to its smooth operation and space-saving design. The door slides upward and rests along horizontal ceiling tracks, keeping the driveway clear and allowing full access. A solid subframe supports the mechanical system, with ceiling-mounted tracks guiding the door panel. Lifting arms and rollers ensure smooth movement during opening and closing. Interior work continues with ceiling insulation to reduce heat loss and improve overall comfort. OSB panels are fastened beneath the rafters, forming a continuous surface that secures the insulation, limits airflow, and creates a durable interior finish suitable for storage or workshop activities. When building a lightweight warehouse structure, several principles ensure long-term durability. First, detailed planning and accurate layout prevent future structural problems and promote efficient material use, especially important for solo builders. Second, strong foundations and effective moisture control are vital. Gravel bases, reinforced concrete slabs, bitumen barriers, and moisture membranes protect wood components from ground dampness. Thermal efficiency is another key factor. Insulating pallet cavities, sealing gaps with foam, insulating the roof and ceiling, and installing vapor barriers all contribute to improved comfort and reduced energy loss. Finally, thoughtful material use and a modular, straightforward design approach allow the builder to progress safely and systematically. One side of the new warehouse is integrated with the existing structure, creating a shared wall connection between the old and the new building. Because one wall of the new structure connects to the older building, This junction must be handled carefully to preserve strength and stability. The surface is first cleared of dust and loose particles, then coated with a moisture-resistant paint. These specialty coatings are formulated with binders such as water-based acrylics, silicone-based compounds, or epoxy resins. They often include hydrophobic additives and antifungal agents that repel water, reduce moisture absorption, and help prevent mold growth. To improve heating efficiency inside the space, an all-in-one portable diesel air heater is installed. The unit integrates the fuel tank, control system, and heating element into a compact, toolbox-style design. It operates with low diesel consumption per hour, allowing extended use on a single tank. The heater burns fuel inside a sealed combustion chamber, while a fan pushes clean, dry, heated air into the room. Exhaust gases and moisture remain isolated from the indoor air, ensuring safe operation. The system can be managed through a built-in LCD display, remote control, or Bluetooth smartphone app, with the screen providing details such as temperature, voltage, and diagnostic codes. No garage workspace is complete without a reliable workbench. The desk is strategically positioned to optimize workflow, considering the arrangement of tools, machinery, storage zones, and walking space. Built for durability and stability, the custom-designed bench is anchored to the wall to eliminate movement during heavy-duty tasks. The frame is constructed from solid timber, forming a sturdy base capable of supporting substantial weight and repeated use. Reinforced joints and tightly secured corners increase structural strength for long-term performance. The tabletop is fabricated from metal, selected for its durability, resistance to wear, and long service life. This combination of wood and metal results in a strong, practical workstation suited for demanding applications. Before finishing, the raw metal surface is sanded to remove burrs, oxidation, and surface contaminants that could lead to corrosion. Sanding also creates a slightly textured surface, helping protective coatings adhere more effectively. The metal sheet is then secured to the wooden frame with screws, and protective metal edging is added along exposed sides to reduce injury risks. Because drilling can expose bare metal and compromise protective coatings, all vulnerable areas are treated with an anti-rust spray. To provide further protection, a direct-to-metal alkyd-based paint is applied. This type of coating bonds directly to bare steel without requiring a separate primer, simplifying application while delivering durable, corrosion-resistant coverage. If you've watched all the way to the end, we sincerely appreciate your support. Viewers like you make these projects possible, and we're committed to bringing you even better content in future builds. If you enjoyed the video, consider liking and subscribing. It truly helps the channel grow. To enhance organization, a pegboard is installed above the workspace. Its perforated design allows hooks, brackets, and shelves to be rearranged easily, offering flexible storage that adapts over time. In workshops and garages, effective storage is essential for both efficiency and safety. Without proper organization, tools and materials can clutter surfaces, create hazards, and slow productivity. When every item has a designated place, work becomes smoother and more efficient. Organized storage reduces tripping risks, prevents overcrowded surfaces, and makes it easier to inspect tools for wear or damage. Constructing a garage or warehouse from wooden pallets is more than a simple building task. It's a demonstration of creativity, resourcefulness, and craftsmanship. Each stage reflects thoughtful planning and steady effort. The finished structure stands as proof that with skill, patience, and imagination, even reclaimed materials can be transformed into a durable and functional space. If this project motivated you, turn on notifications to stay updated on future builds. Give the video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and share your thoughts or ideas in the comments below.